Well, that's about 1.5 inches shorter than the other thing. So I think this might be the job. Yes. What does it look like from there? Oh yeah, that's down a little bit. Not in the way though. And if I'm careful, I can tack this corner. Only problem is I still can't drill the holes with this in the way. So I'll have to, let's line it up, see what it looks like, get it exactly where I want it, just to make sure. And if that's good, then I'll mount those things from outside. And yeah, that's what we'll do. That looks pretty good. Just come down here a little bit. Yeah, you can see it right to there. Let's tack it there. That means I'm bringing my 25-foot lead down again. Let's see. Oops, I moved it. I moved it wrong. Oh, did I ever move it wrong? Okay, let's go right there. Maybe. We'll tack it with some tape. This is special tacking tape. Yeah, it likes to wander around on me here. We need to be about right there, I'd say. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's not even on the box. Oh no, it is on the box. I need a couple of ladders. Just carrying ladders back and forth is getting to be tedious. Yeah, and I dent my truck. Oh my goodness. Right there. Now let's check the front. Yeah, pretty close. Let's see what we got over here. It's like, they're the same, I think. Okay. So let's mark it with a marker. And then take it off. So many factors, especially when you're dealing with something that's hand formed. It's not necessarily perfect on either side. Like one's different than the other a little bit, and you don't notice it. But when you go to line it up, you can't measure off the same thing. Well, that's different than that, and yet the middle's right. So let's see. Actually, they look the same. Okay, let's mark it. I wonder if I could take that box out because it's holding it away from the windshield a little bit. Move the ladder. This one is a lot better. Okay. I wonder if it'll stay by itself. Wow, that looks good. Whoa, wow, it's all good over there now too. I could mark that side now. And then I got to do this all over again to do the middle. Oh, which is going to be a nuisance too, because I can't drill holes again. Right, that looks really good. Now we just do a line down there. Yeah, really good. Can't see it from down here with the box in the way, but it's pretty good. All right, I'm going to try and take the box out. See if that will put more tape on it. Just to hold it. Enough dust on this thing to... Oh dear. Okay. If that'll work, it might work. I'll do the other side. Some of these great ideas you have. You should see my next idea. Oh, it's going to make this truck pop, I'll tell you. All right, let's go to the roof, to the visor, to the visor, to the bracket. One more. Whoops. Look at that. All right, let's see if we can get that out of there without breaking anything. Okay. Ouch. Oh, look at that. Will you look at that? Ugh. Of course, I had to use a full one. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to... What do you think? Does that look good or what? I'm going to blend the weld out so it just looks like checker plate when I'm done with it. But that, I think, is where she sits. If you look over here, and if you look over here, now I just got to figure out how to make a centerpiece. Okay, life in the fast lane. Life in the fast lane, I need an off ramp. Life in the fast lane, I need an off ramp.